The 1000W folding electric bike stands out in the crowded market of electric bicycles, combining robust power, impressive range, and practical design features that cater to both commuting and recreational needs. After a thorough evaluation, I can confidently assert that this e-bike offers an exceptional riding experience, making it an appealing choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient mode of transportation. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its powerful 1000W motor. This robust motor ensures a swift and exhilarating ride, with the ability to reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour. For those who are accustomed to traditional bicycles, this level of power is a game changer. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or tackling hilly terrains, this bike delivers smooth acceleration and impressive torque. The ability to zip through traffic and ascend steep inclines with ease makes it ideal for urban commuting, weekend adventures, or casual rides in the park. Complementing the motor is a 48V 20AH removable battery that significantly enhances the bike's usability. With a maximum range of 80 miles on a single charge, you can confidently embark on long journeys without fear of running out of power. The battery's removable design allows for easy charging, which is a thoughtful touch for anyone living in an apartment or without direct access to a power outlet. Simply detach the battery and charge it indoors, ensuring that your bike is ready to go whenever you are. The charging time is also quite reasonable, typically taking around 6 to 8 hours for a full charge, making it practical for daily use. The folding design of this bike deserves special mention. Convenience is a crucial factor for many potential buyers, and the folding capability means you can easily store it in small spaces, such as a closet or the trunk of a car. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals who rely on public transport or have limited storage at home. The folding mechanism is intuitive and robust, ensuring that the bike remains stable while riding and can be quickly transformed for storage or transport. In terms of build quality, the bike is well constructed with durable materials that inspire confidence. The frame is made from high-strength aluminum alloy, providing a lightweight yet sturdy structure that can withstand the rigors of daily use. The bike feels stable and secure, even at high speeds, which is crucial for safety. Additionally, the high-quality components, including the Shimano gear system, ensure smooth shifting and a pleasant riding experience. The bike also features a comprehensive assortment of accessories that enhance its functionality. The integrated LED headlight and taillight improve visibility during nighttime rides, a vital safety feature for urban commuting. The bike comes equipped with a comfortable saddle and adjustable handlebars, allowing riders to customize their setup for optimal comfort during longer rides. Furthermore, the front suspension absorbs bumps and shocks effectively, making it suitable for a variety of terrains. One aspect worth noting is the bike's performance in diverse weather conditions. The tires provide excellent grip on both wet and dry surfaces, and the overall design allows for a stable ride even in breezy conditions. However, it is advisable to take precautions during heavy rain, as with any electric bike, to ensure safety and maintain the longevity of the electrical components. While the bike excels in many areas, there are a couple of minor downsides worth mentioning. For some users, the weight of the bike may be a concern, especially if you need to carry it often. Weighing around 60 pounds, it's not the lightest folding bike on the market, but this weight contributes to its sturdy feel and reliability. Additionally, the assembly process can be slightly cumbersome for those who are not mechanically inclined, but the provided instructions are generally clear and comprehensive. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike is a powerful, convenient, and versatile option for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or enjoy leisurely rides. With its robust motor, impressive range, and thoughtful design features, it successfully combines performance and practicality. Whether you're an urban commuter, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone looking for a more efficient means of transportation, this electric